All right, this is a hidden fasteners inspection. The permit number is 2023101768. The address is 9347 Southwest 60th Lane Road in Stone Creek. There's the house number, 9347. These are the roof sections. These are the end 2x2 showing all 4 screws. These are the gusset plates. Sorry about the sun there. This is the middle purlin showing all 4 screws. We've got the gusset plates on the other side. The end purlins again. And then I will walk around and show you the other side. That is the end 2x2s. The gusset plates. The middle purlins. And the last set of gussets. And last but not least, the end purlins. Thank you very much. Have a great day.